Okay, our next question for today is check the validity of the equation b square equals to b square plus 2as. So we check the validity of this equation by unit-wise analysis method. So this method to check the validity, if the unit on LHS is equals to the unit on RHS, then the equation is valid. If the unit on left hand side is not equals to unit on right hand side, then the equation is not said to be valid. So in this equation, okay, solution. So here we have left hand side is b square and right hand side is b square plus 2as. So physical quantity on LHS equals to b square. So we'll write the unit of left hand side. Unit of LHS equals to meter per second whole square. We know the unit of velocity is meter per second. That equals to meter square by second square. Now, physical quantity on right hand side. Physical quantities on R as S equals to U square plus 2AX. Here, it must be clear. Here in this question, B is our final velocity, U is our initial velocity, both of them are velocity. So two is constant, A is acceleration due to gravity and S is displacement. These things make us clear. So we can write now the unit of RHS. Unit of RHS is unit of velocity is meter per second square plus, so 2 is constant, it doesn't possess any unit. So unit of acceleration is meter per second square into unit of displacement is meter. So here we get meter square by second square plus meter square by second square. Therefore, unit of RHS becomes, when you add up the unit, same terms, meter square by second square. Here, unit on, we can see unit on left hand side is equals to unit on right hand side. So unit on LHS equals to unit on RHS. Hence the equation b square equals to u square plus 2s is valid by unit wise analysis method. So this question is from the first chapter of class 10 scientific study, and it is one of the important question for our essay. Thank you.
So that the potential unit of potential difference is kc meter square per second cube per ampere. So we'll solve this question. First solution, we know P equals to I into B, where P is power, I is current, and B is potential difference. So from here we can write that implies B equals to P by I. So here we were current is a fundamental unit. Now the power is a derived quantity. So convert the power is in the form of fundamental quantity. So power equals to work done by time taken by power, where W is work done and T is time taken. So here from here we can write B equals to work done by current into time. So up to here we have got two fundamental quantity and one direct quantity, work. So again we'll convert this work into fundamental quantity. So we know work is the product of force into displacement. So work equals to force into displacement by I into T. So where F is force and S is displacement. So here we have got the displacement is a fundamental quantity and force is our derived quantity. So further we can write it V equals to force equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity by displacement upon current into time. Since F equals to mc, m equals to mass, mc is our acceleration due to gravity. That implies B equals to, so here we have mass is a fundamental quantity, displacement is a fundamental quantity, current is a fundamental quantity, and time is a fundamental quantity. So we have this G, acceleration. So you can change the acceleration is velocity by time. So we can write mass into G equals to A, where A is acceleration. So acceleration means velocity by time into second by I into T. Since here G is our acceleration equals to velocity by time. So that implies A equals to n into A into S by I into T. Again, we can write B equals to velocity is a derived quantity. So you can convert the velocity is displacement by time. So you can write mass into velocity equals to displacement by time into displacement by current into time square. So B equals to mass into displacement square by current into time. You know, in terms of unit, in terms of unit, we can write unit of mass equals to kg, Unit of displacement is meter square by unit of current is ampere, unit of time is second. So on anything, we can write it kg meter square second power minus 3 ampere minus 1. Therefore, unit of potential difference B equals to kg meter square second power minus 3 ampere minus